The power of dreams.
Hello everyone, my name is Azari and I'm now at Honda BigWing Petaling Jaya, the Ford BigWing showrooms in Malaysia. But before that, a quick recap about Honda BigWing. Honda BigWing is an exclusive one-stop sales and service center. It has adopted the most advanced design among Honda global operations, known as the destination for riders. Here at Honda BigWing, you will find all Honda motorcycle models ranging from 250cc and above. The service center is operated by experienced technicians with Japan standard and are fully equipped to provide your bike with the tender care that it deserves. Your bike is in the good hands of our certified technicians. By purchasing a bike with Honda BigWing, you will be part of the Honda Big Bike family and enjoying a variety of discounted items and other promotional activities. Honda BigWing cares about customers' comfort. Different from other motorcycle showrooms, it provides a nice lounge and some coffee and snacks while the customer waits for their motorcycle to be serviced. Thank you. At Honda BigWing, all spare parts are genuine, so you can be worry-free on the possibility of counterfeit items. I believe you're definitely keen to know more about Honda BigWing, don't you? So why don't we take a moment to talk to the man behind Honda BigWing Petaling Jaya, Mr. Sam.
I rasa konsep bisnes Honda BigWing ni mesti boleh bagi customer puas hati. Lagipun konsep bisnes macam ni tengah berkembang di Malaysia. So dengan Honda BigWing ini customer boleh dapat motor yang diorang suka, tak payah risau dengan after sales service. I gembira menjadikan hobi sebagai kerjaya. I tak tengok benda ini sebagai bisnes je, tapi I nampak ini semua benda yang boleh unite semua Honda Big Bike lover. Dengan Honda BigWing Network, kita akan buat banyak konvoi, ada kongsi-kongsi experience bawa motor. Paling best, customer ada chance untuk join event eksklusif macam dinner dengan MotoGP rider, join konvoi Honda Action Journey dan macam-macam lagi aktiviti yang best-best yang tunjuk dekat orang image yang positif. Lastly, I harap big bike riding culture ini boleh popular and jadi lagi kuat.